I'm gonna show you how to log into Goldfish Casino app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Goldfish Casino app. After you open the app, you will see this kind of interface. Now over here, at the top right corner, you can see the settings icon. Tap on it. Once the settings menu pops up, you can see different login methods. Here you can see the login option of email, your phone number, and if you tap on this connect option, you also have the option to log in with your Facebook account. So in order to log in, you must have already created your account before, and you need to use the same credentials in order to log into your account. So if you have created your account using your email, you can tap on this email field and enter your email over here and tap on submit. If you created your account using your phone number, you can tap on this phone number field, enter your phone number and tap on submit. And if you have created your account with your Facebook, you can tap on connect and select this continue with Facebook option. As I've created my account using my Facebook account, I'll select this option. It will prompt me to choose the Facebook account that I have in my phone, so I'll choose this. As you can see, now I'm logged into my account. So that's how you can easily log into your Goldfish Casino app account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.